Hi students. I know it has been like 50% of the portion is over. Many of you all are also trying now to enter into the proficiency course of Chartered Accountancy Company Secretary. The entrance examinations are nothing but an extension of your current syllabus. And this is the right way where you can practice so that you can come to know in which areas you need to work more. And for the same, I have prepared certain test papers based on the exact knowledge which is required for a particular topic. If you really want to work hard, if you really want your future professional entrance examinations to be simple as well as help you for your 12th standard, please solve these papers which I have put on the Instagram link. You will get a Google form, just attempt it. Whatever answers you get wrong, you can just focus on that because all my papers are going to be based on concepts. All the best. Remember, KP sir is always with you. Bye.